As we come on the air, a probable cause hearing is underway in Muskegon County's district courtroom.
It's the result of the death of 39-year-old Paul Bolthouse back in April 2019.
He was an inmate in the Muskegon County Jail being held on a probation retainer. 13 on your side, Lakeshore reporter John Mills was in the courtroom. He joins us now live with the latest.
Yeah, that preliminary hearing held starting at this morning at 9 a.m., going all day today. The AG says Bolthouse had a string of seizures over 5.5 hours inside the Muskegon County Jail. The AG alleging that his death was the result of nurses and guards' lack of action here at the county jail. Now, this preliminary hearing can take sometimes as little as a couple of hours, but in this case, it's expected to last 3 full days. The hearing will determine if involuntary manslaughter charges against all 5 of the individuals will move on to circuit court for trial. The state attorney general charging jail guards David Vanderlaan, Jeffrey Patterson, Crystal Grieve, and Jamal Lane, also a former WellPath registered nurse, Aubrey Schouts. Bolthouse was being held on a probation retainer. Now, in filing the charges, AG Dana Nelson said Bolthouse was classified as suicidal and was required to be monitored by officers every 15 minutes. Now, the state's investigation concluded that Bolthouse died after suffering approximately 22 seizures over 5.5 hours. Now, the state has hours and hours of video from inside the jail to use should this case go to trial. Much of today was spent on introducing policies and procedures of the jail. That's what took up most of today. Again, this preliminary hearing, expected to last Thursday and Friday too. It is on Friday that Muskegon County District Judge Jeffrey Nolan could decide if the charges of involuntary manslaughter again move on to circuit court at a much later date to go to trial. Now, all of the guards are being represented by attorneys hired by the Fraternal Order of Police. And Juliet, if the charge of manslaughter does progress to a trial, it could be punishable by up to 15 years in prison.